Ever heard the terms AI, machine learning, and automation? They're everywhere. But do you really know what they mean and how they're different? Let's clear it up. AI stands for artificial intelligence. It's the broad idea, machines that think and make decisions. From chatbots to self-driving cars, AI mimics human thinking. Machine learning is a subset of AI. It teaches machines to learn patterns from data. No hard coding, just data and feedback. Think of it as AI's brain training. Automation is about doing tasks, repetitive actions, automatically. No thinking involved, just rules, triggers, and results. Now here's how they connect. AI makes decisions. Machine learning improves those decisions. Automation executes them. It's like a smart factory. AI is the manager. Machine learning is the analyst. Automation is the worker. And when they work together, magic happens. Next episode, we'll build your first AI-powered automation workflow with ChatGPT and Zapier. Subscribe and let's build smarter.